Hey everyone, it's Madam Eileen. Today we're going to do a basic plate. Alright, inflate your balloon. Give yourself some tail. I don't know how much balloon we're going to be using up, so I think I need a little more air. But if we need more air and we run out of room, or I'll show you some tricks as we come along. The nice thing about twisting along with balloon professionals is watching their balloons pop. Videos, you don't see them popping, but trust me, balloon professionals, balloons will pop when they're going to pop. We just try to control the chaos. Alright. Some people know this as the lollipop, but you can also use this as a dinner plate. 2 pinch twists. Now we're going to do we could do an oval plate or a round plate. If we want to do a round plate, do this next part small. No more than 4 fingers across. And then twist it back with the pinch twists. And now we're going to wrap the balloon up and over those two bubbles. And this balloon will rest right in that groove. Now that's the easy part. The more difficult part is this next part. It's smooth. There's no groove for this balloon to rest in. So you have to basically balance it, or it'll slide. And if it slides around too much, you can introduce the use of glue dots. You can see I'm trying to go around and I'm just a little short of this area here. I can squeeze and move the air up a little bit, causing this to be softer. And because it's softer, I can give it more of a little bit of a pull, and that pull will help pressure fit it because it's soft. If this was hard, if I pressure fit it, it might slide around. But because it's soft, it squishes in and it's holding a lot better. Once you get around to those pinch twists, go around them very gently. Now I'm going to try to get around 1 or 2 more times. This is going to be my little round plate. People have used this technique for lollipops, for fans, for ping pong paddles. A little bit more air. When you're doing lots of twists, you need to leave more of a tail. But if you're just wrapping around, you really don't need that much air. How about just barely 4 fingers? Let a little more air out. Remember, soft. Very, very soft balloons are the key to getting around this plate. If this is getting too far down in, what you could do is a tiny little bubble. This is known as a spacer bubble. We've gone up just a little bit to give us some distance from this deep joint. 2 pinch twists. And I mean that little spacer bubble, not even a ½ inch, just really tiny, just enough to lift it. Okay, there we go. We have 2 pinch twists. There's the spacer bubble. Here's your 2 pinch twists. I'm going to leave this here in case I need it. And now we're going to wrap around. If your balloon's soft enough, it'll kind of want to grab the other side. As you saw, the loop slipped. But let's see, if I did it just right, it should tuck right back in. And then sometimes all the layers go. I like that. And I don't think I'll have enough balloon to go around, so I'm just going to cut this. Go around my thumb, going around the pinch twist, tucking it through and arranging it. Now, if your balloon wants to keep sliding out of place like this, you can always use a little bit of rubber cement, or you can use glue dot dashes. Getting all my tails taken care of. All right. I've even seen this type of balloon twisting used to make the Star Trek Enterprise. I think I need to adjust these 2-pin twists here in the center. So for now, it holds. Some ways, if you don't want to use Yugu dashes, you can take a balloon that has all the air pulled out and use that to wrap. If it's the same color, you can then just wrap and tie and tuck the knot and hold it together like that. So sideways, the plate would look really good. But then you just have to have this of the same color so it blends a bit better. So that's another option for keeping these just together. But for now, just for looking at, I got my plate. I have my plate. Put my plate down. And I have my fork. And I have my spoon. Okay. Are we ready to fill the plate with some yummy stuff? Coming up next. Bye.